hangoipfaina mume but obviously ukadiumbula zvori yova yoimanga mbiradi so ukatozvivona ende ukatozvipori yova yoimanga mbiradi so hoitiani hokuitiani ipapo tinisitanga nola mutu hoitiani zvovhidi.
The thing is, many Pretoria, as I said. So I was thinking, I used to go out in the streets of Pitori, go hustle, rap for people, and a campaign on the freestyle campaign. I go out, make freestyle for people. They tell me what they think. Namandu goes janga video, or I must know the streets must talk, or how's the kid. So that time I was like, now it's time to set the bar higher. I wanna go somewhere where I feel like it's when they're efficient people kana batho bana impact ka batho. So I took it. I went to Joburg. Joburg. Honestly, I'm not familiar with Joburg. Nosoko mangadono shikese BC. So kona mera jitekise mangadono shik.
Okay.
BC. I was with this friend of mine, Jana Eugene. Then one tanganet. So Richia is a BC. Firstly, I was still asking about how can you get yourself on radio to find out those type of informations. Besides that, and I cannot just go. I want to showcase my talent. Is it possible? Can I attend one or chimbera na kupikara? Echipikara ndabano kuchimbera be mbera batwi atinga faruina baraya ona matata fano ndipetwa mra. Okay. Then ndichisadza Metro FM ndi glass ndikuona khona nomqebo honestly ndisongona kana ndasongozona zvori ndihola mutu nola mutu achitobva interview bets chotoma chizvuzvo nomqebo. I'm just going to that person because I feel like yeah, that's what I was there to do, showcase my talent to anybody who I feel like I can go to. So ndichisvika kana manager wao kana karadzi wao something like that. So I elaborate on I'm making this freestyle campaign. So can I please make this freestyle for you? And then I life. And I was happy. I was happy. Yeah, at least now. And the videos. Yeah, Mara, to me I was like, it's nothing. And then tendera okay go. Na just speak arana tumotamba beat. That's when it all happened that way. Zoro tangana mine udiba mzima yetu.
Okay, cool. Video reibona ndo simbedza vathu apo. So aranga toibona futi una full video yaone akala roro ntamle imwe to edichonya na ya 1 minute. Yone I think video nesika go 3 minutes something. Ika wolo yene muna hoyo we mambori nomqebo. Ika wolo yawe orisera ningi root kid venda oisero vana epo. So okay, cool. So zombari ini kama fungwa freestyle nitofara nchilicheza.
Freestyle wangeri ndingari ndisuzvanga like that's what I've been ever since I was about 11 years old. Ndichitomo Teacher 7 rap. I used to be a big fan of Mizophil. Ever since I started listening to Mizophil, I always freestyle. Beat ya vai kopera ya vai una chance chela choimba. And vandu go the freestyle up until ndichikono download the beat mini but freestyling has always been what I love and I do.
Okay, cool. Tien.
Yeah. Nende koto dala pedzi ngori zvine zvawanda zvari vunji ha dzi artists dzine dzavaonedza kuenda zvino dzine dzava active vunji havo vasi vathu vane ndingatori freestyle is something that they do very common. Ndinga serious zwithu zvine vakona uzviita ngori atina vhutanzi nazvo but arikone uwana like content yavo maybe somewhere online or out there kono vavona vachiko showcase or yeah vone va freestyle and zviyatakadza badi richiva kono vona like another upcoming act ubva nepa ayani achikoto showcase zvithu zvine nadzi legends dzine dzakuti venra nechikafara adzikuamba chitu adzikozviita so nerezvo rikuchera manda and nefarere ngoraro zvichimbura ngoraro ahuna imwe ndira ine like zvithu zvatomerera ngayo besides kuti ini push niise panda nopusha ngoraro nende proud bad ende ndinotakala bad ngazve ndavona fononi ndandisaidivi nahera video ndotobriefiwa nyana early nyana quick nyana before the show uri namzodo watch kwete atimokona notoona chifhinga cha enough uri ndi kutamba anowanza vari tamba usiku ari tamba
zona chincha. Okay, cool. So the reposera nyana ko nini re kono ya kai mo video apa yo no fi ya dia nyina dia Eminem dia Casper Nyovest, good for that freestyle. So that mane rigele nyana vavumu ulaini wusigati ariko rini rigele ndafudafu ulaini wusigati nyana then rekono tuware resimeze baturi nikweta zvaani.
All right, avari ndi enjoy suchita mana beat zvidipa zvidipi beat kutamba yedu nkumbudza tena yeah ndofara kapu vari titahani ndari ndi shapu ngamachero ndi kuwanda la mukapu ngori ndi okay, let me keep it on with English. I got a cup, I got a sip. Now I got my treasure, look at me, I didn't zip. Now I got a drink, I think I gotta take a sip. Shout out to TN, Cape Town, I need a trip. I wanna see the ocean, I wanna see the water. I'm busy dripping, they say I be dripping water. Shout out to my niggas in Zimbabwe, in the border. Every time I'm dropping out, it's actually pretty harder. You feel me?
Ndiyo freestyle lela tieni. Usile tume ambeleliwa finito tumenaita mini.
Ndiri freestyle yaona ichimbira zvavudi raimi dodida mapedzisironi flow dodichinchara dzichikochincha dzakadzateverana ino order zvanga zvone zvova zvoorganiziwa ndizvone zvinozvakotodheya king of freestyle okay
asazvimwari
rinomuona Nicodemic vatoma vayahead
Lost Richard, this Omo, I think it's almost something like that. I took a showcase and after that, but I was freestyling. Down better mic. I was still, I think it was last year, class of last year. Now better mic. The poor mic. The Tomo freestyle, and said that was one of the content. What's up with this guy? And the Tomo read that. Kutanga babo kumbidzana nojaya naye we didn't get time to mara I'm pretty sure we don't know I could remind him if we meet one day.
Yes. Okay, cool. Ndiko tamba imwe nimbudze tiene maybe home na udbalo ifamara tiene ara niko ikaiko tamba nimbuzoro kutamba ne ndiko tambisa imwe arite so
yeah nandiko
okay cool
no go ipa
yo para
yeah
okay
cuz I'm good for that yeah it's LC the beat guy yeah give me the money, my nigga. I told you I'm good for that. I can arrest. I'm restricted to sleep, so all my tape with the before, but I'm telling your fast. If I jump up on the spit, never tell me that I'm good for the look of the trip. I be sipping your niggas water, but I came with a juice for that. Yeah, all of you droppers are faded. None of you niggas can walk on my pavement. I can't even hear what you're saying. You're speaking of tongues. I thought you were praying. All you niggas busy changing. You ain't shout outs, man. You playing. What are you saying? Shit, fuck off, my nigga. You always complaining. You can get it when you rap like that. You can win if you dance like that. She got an ass like that. Shit, she wanna attack like that. Yeah, rap like this. Everybody tryna rap like this. You can never dance like this. I'm with a gang that will flex like this. All you niggas looking broke, feeling so diamond and feeling so woke. I heat up a blunt in the kitchen and smoke. You biting my lies, man. You gonna talk. Shit, you gonna talk, my nigga. Shit, you looking broke, my nigga. Man, you never work, my nigga. Man, you wanna die, gotta rope, my nigga. Yeah, ain't in your vest, man, that with a paper. Hey, you here to see you later. Don't give a fuck about a hater. Yeah, I just wanna get the play the matter. All you niggas say been looking late, but you looking wild, man, you looking late. Better look at my shit, man, I'm sounding great. I'm fucking your bitch, it sounded like she wanna fuck, all of you niggas are running for luck. I got a car, I want a park. Yeah, man, I wanna park. Every time when I pull up in the club, but these bitches, they be giving me hugs. Shit, man, I'm fucking you niggas, so you ain't doing shit. Yeah, I'll care if you wanna jump on the bed.
Okay.
That was fire.
But but organize. Okay, cool. Mandi jeneka the comment zvino mandi jeneka the comment zvinotwa mowelana maluleke levelesani avakuri fire tidizori kwamba fire ila yori itoda fire anobaiza alakaura sedzani dombo avakuri welcome back TN D-boy makwarera avakuri ukushava uamba madzina fedzi uwadiva so kawanewe chikete kati ukupindira zvamatomoni ufi wanewe chikete then wane chikete ufi ndivo marembori varud kid venda vadovia vatokenya kapu avate vachiawera
ndochuwa man
kungozi avakuri hoyo muna muzika wondojena maramboni achikutochimona welese ukwamba chipikare chila sedzani adova vuyari you got bars bro wishing you all the best of success ja bless ndivo maremba avakuri new king of freestyle adropa mic T-Squared the venda avakuri damn the boys fire maleke lavalisani avakuri god bless Romeo I mean Dr. Mario Black Culture Mkwevo dokotela va muzika I went through that video just now. The guy is talented. The best is all wish for him. The best is all I wish for him. Keep doing good job, guys. Yes, regolibu Dr. Mario. Ndo kuna commenting apasi. Please tag me ndo zamu iteka tingu iwana. Rido ziposted the video. Rido posted a video yenda ishera. They don't need post hapo. Last comment yabekori iko vaka konfi Miss Wido Daduva Black Lepazi. Aposta fire avoko da T-Squared avoko RIP to Caspanyo Vest Beats ya ufio breo ufio medariwa upia ichawa na razo zvino tien bana
yes matariwa zoserious menda nitendeka dzidzanya dzanga apo noni sound na dzistonga dzikuita zvorengera mara nasa ndosikanyana late ndichitodiva ndikutusa navo vamwe vane tamwe kuti vari joina late tamwe arali in like short in like a minute ndichingaona bio yamu sorry nibva guy niwanala guy niva nichikuita mini guy ndodiva ndikutusa navamwe vane vori joina late ungasa ngori ndiapa noni atikokona kutoformulate dzimbudziso zvavudi ngori atina information ya enough kutoamba ngovo mara zote zvine ndakusokotova ndikuvona apa noni zvivideo nadzifreestyle
Okay, cool. Ari so manine donisamira zvone but ndikotodoni zvisama ndikomubudzisa imwe mbudziso so nori zvozvoni venda noyana jena Cape Town I am UK zechene ne UK zechene
yeah Durban
yes then zvino niko jena TUT muzika umaropaninga ndreni nizonofara welese novena totoma nazi freestyle mini abo no freestyle mini.
It's called the freestyle campaign.
Yes, freestyle campaign. Okay, no name is the freestyle campaign. So mbusi anga ke ndiba kuyo vaimbi vanena kuri nyatama utori nimbe navo and then research jena ke kati mekori no nimba na vaimbi vapiyo vavenda ari kwamba vanda ari tomivenda no nimba na vaimbi vapiyo uimba nawo not mengoda muimba nawo veneno no feature nawo.
Fano Vendai, I've only worked with this guy called Jar Player. Ndono shumana kaboto duma we di mizo ayet kaboto and na track inenda kushumana mizo if you never take a break I to link out somehow ndono posta kumini video and people are really loving the song so bambi vaneno nimtsauni mizo jara bangwe ndi vamwe batuku this guy called Walus I work with him a lot then we have the new wave just cool amaraya that's not much I prefer working alone sharp
okay cool so venda munga okay but hembu ezvenamba magumweni zvina mapungo ngangum but those when later you prefer working alone. Okay, cool. But vane na koto shuma navo venda bango ndivafio vene vanga vaka.
Oh, and I've a recent song in the feature una Romeo ngangu. If he locked down track on nga Skywalker on feature, I was on the second verse. Romeo took the first verse. That's the latest. Otobori Handi Vikana. I'm not the one who connected the feature, but I'm on the song with him. Yeah.
Okay, cool. We got fine.
Una comment ya kono nini nda chance takela kama nchidi ya highlight kama ya mfako.
No, azuko bamani tidizuru kuitia ni commenting hapa.
Upi ndimupi omwimbi wabi yani tongera for features.
Yo, Jesus. Omutu. Chotoma, Nizonai 2017. Tongera for feature. Besides that, we're working tonight now in 2020. But in 2017, I remember Venanga December Tom. I asked him for a feature. Umpanga post. Antongera. I wuna mungu nguri tumberi feature. Mumrepa bato. Bato da.
Ndizone zwavudi ukona hold the ground yanu na disumbedza na eni munozori, like you don't necessarily depend on features like nekono line mune nekona disumbedza bukoni hanu.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, cool. So regoli bwana obe akapu pasi ko ukusumbe so finance do present for Kenya ya tia Ferreira.
Namze meta dollars in couple of blue.
No zwi.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
Did gwindi.
Okay.
Abuna mwana ngafumanga.
Okay, cool. So vanena koto shuma navo yopindo embuso kana ndi koto vore ndikwedera.
Atupinduriyo.
Okay, cool. At the time.
Hey, venda wembe vanenda ngata mushuma navo, honestly speaking. The first one, it's TN on the track. Secondly, what's the difference? Thirdly, Frindinyola nwanenda chiri chifuna bado ushumanaye. So far, because I feel like they circulate my circle because to be a much Ven rap person. I feel like I don't consider myself as a Ven rapper because I do rap in Venda because I'm Venda Mar. My circle, it's actually on people who actually know how to like rap in English format.
So Nigeria ni consider sa Ven rapper ni mean.
Mtu rapper ngachiven. Fully Ven rap.
Mara nori even though nichi rapper ngachiven but at Ven rapper so.
Yeah, freestyle speeds. Yeah, in songs, you won't find me rapping in Venda. Utobori umwe nyimbo creativity achivende yato there, especially if you're making a song in any professor.
Somewhere, even just one line or EP.
So
then consider yourself a Ven rapper.
That's it. Ven rapper ya vorine. So Uriver go fumu zangwane. Asu medoka break. I'm holding your fucking debate. Hey, I make a piece of the same. Hey, I'm a demon, I'm best. Hey, she wanna fuck me and live. This man in the kids, they know I'm the same. My mind is racing like I'm on a break. I'm just in my dream. I don't wanna sleep. I was full and then I woke up like this.
You get in my way, I'ma feed you to the monster. I'm normal during the day, but at night turn to a monster. When the moon shines like ice road truckers, I look like a villain out of those blockbusters. Godzilla, fire, monster. Blood on the dance floor, Louis V carpet. Fire, Godzilla, fire, monster. Blood on the dance floor.
If you ever gave a damn, now raise your hand. I'm never writing on the paper, I'm just trying to save a pen. Oh shit, man, I got a dream. I was never gonna be better on the bad things. Is what them is it to me. If you give me juice, good doesn't make to me. If you show me your big that scene and with to me. Yeah, you better about it the moment you see me. I'm taking a point, you can tell that I'm king and I jump on the beat, you can turn that it's living, my nigga, you feel me? Shit, I know you feel me, my mama can't wait to see me on TV. I told you I'ma get it, then you didn't believe me, and now I'm gonna feed it up to the
monster. You get in my way, I'ma feed you to the monster. I'm normal during the day, but at night turn to a monster. When the moon shines like ice road truckers, I look like a villain out of those blocks.